Have you ever had green bean casserole where it was hard to scoop the mush onto your plate? Well, I'm here to help you fix that. Hey everyone, I'm Angie and I'm going to teach you a new way of making green bean casserole. I can't recall a Thanksgiving without green bean casserole on the dinner table. It's one of my favorite dishes. The creamy mushroom sauce, the crunchy fried onions, and of course the soft green beans. It's another comfort food for me. But the problem is, sometimes it's too mushy to scoop. This is a different take on green bean casserole that will be easy to plate. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9x13 pan. If you're using cooking spray, make sure you do it over the sink for easy cleanup. Then take a big pot and fill it with water to about 70% full. Bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, take your green beans and trim the ends. I like to use scissors because it's easier. Make sure that they're pretty even in length. After you wash the green beans, the water should be boiling. We're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on high. Now drain it. After that, grab a mixing bowl and combine cream of mushroom, milk, soy sauce, black pepper, and fried onions. Mix this well. Take the green beans and toss in this mixture. Alright, take the bacon out and cut it in half like this. Try to buy lean bacon. Lay a piece on the cutting board and using tongs, grab 6 to 8 pieces of green beans and lay it on top of the bacon. Wrap this up and put it seam side down in the baking pan. Now scrape the rest of this mixture and smear it all over the green beans. Sprinkle the rest of the fried onions on top. And cover it with foil. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll adjust the oven to 375. Remove the foil and let it bake for 10 more minutes. You can broil this at 475 for about 5 minutes if you like your bacon to be more crispy, which is what I'm about to do. I recommend keeping an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Look how pretty these are. If you like your green beans to be very soft, boil it for 5 to 7 minutes instead of 2 to 3. You'll be able to find the recipe in the description below. This is so easy to plate. All you have to do is grab a bundle and there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Follow and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of future videos. See you next time.